Thanks for watching Lessons in Minutes with Jaylee. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
You might just want to personalize the envelope because, of course, if you're posting an envelope to someone, send that envelope to someone, you're going to add the addressee's information to that. So next, what I'll be doing is to add in the front part of the envelope and put in the addressee's information there. You can also put the addressor's information as well, just as though you would prepare a typical envelope. What if you want to put your organization logo on that, etc. So let us go into that. So exiting slideshow, and I'll be working on that now. Go to insert. Having done that, I'm inserting a rectangle. I'm going to draw that rectangle directly over the envelope that we have that is pre-prepared. Once I get that size, then I'm good to go. I am going to remove the outline of that. Then I'm going to do shape fill. I want to do gradient fill. If you want to fill with picture, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. If you want to use a picture, you're going to use that same instruction that was used to fill the rectangle in order to create the background of the invitation. You can customize your envelope just the same. So I'm going to go to gradient fill, more gradient. That pops up the format shape panel, gradient fill, and I'm going to select the colors that I want. I want a mixture of the colors that are on the back part of the envelope where we have the flaps. So I am going to select those to give a beautiful mixture so that we can have a little variation there. You can change the direction if you want by going to direction. You can add a transparency to that if you want, but it's up to you. You could play around until you get what you really want. But if you go to transparent, you're going to see what is the back part of the envelope, which in you don't want to see that. So just play with the tabs until you get the fill that you really want. I think I'm good to go with that. You can add a little more effect to it if you want by choosing the 3D format. Add a little bevel to it, not too much because you don't want it to be too much 3D. And notice it changes the edges of that. If it's too much, then you can reduce it. And now I am going to add the information by going to insert text box. And remember, if you want, you could put your information there. For me, I might just want to put my business logo right there. So I'm going to copy that and paste, and then pull it down, leave it right there. And then I am going to insert the addressee's information, creating the text box for that. And just type in the information that you really want. I'm going to use Arial bold. I want the color to be black, and I want that to be center. And I'm going to type in, you can say addressees information, or in this case, because it was an interview, I'm going to say interviewees. Information. And when I say interviewees information, I am talking about the name and the address, the typical thing that you would put on an envelope. Address. And if it is too small, again, of course, you can increase the font size. What I'm going to do next is to group the everything that I want to be on that front part of the envelope. So I'm going to select the rectangle, select the text box. Once you're doing that, don't forget that you have to hold down on the Control key. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is to press Control G to group. Now that I have grouped the front part of the envelope, I am now going to add the animation, and I want that animation to be one of the exit animation, and I'm selecting disappear. And I want this, if you notice, it will happen after the previous ones. I don't want that, so I'm going to select, I'm going to press on it and drag it to the top, because that's the first animation that you really want to happen. So I want that to work on a click. So I will start on a click, and I believe we are ready. I'm going to change this one to happen after previous. And now, guys, we're going to take a look at our complete open envelope animation effect that was created. So here we go, taking our look at that. So that this is the front part of the envelope, as you can see. And of course, I know that this looks exactly as the front part of the envelope. And now I am going to proceed to open. And know that you have the basic. Guys, just get creative. Get creative. You can use this for multiple things. How about using it to send a greeting card? You can use it for praises in your classroom just the same, because you can use to send a congratulations to your students, right? You can use it to boost someone morale. What if the person is feeling down? Just get creative, guys. And guess what? What I want you to do, when you use it for something, just send a comment to this video and tell me what you have used this animated open envelope in PowerPoint to do. Just, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to all the creative ideas that will come with this. Okay, guys, stay tuned for more lessons using animation in PowerPoint.
Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.